There is one activity that most humans will do every day, yawning. We know that it is how our body responds to being tired or sleepy. But do you know what is the exact relation between yawning and our brain? Let's explore more about the science behind it. Not just humans, animals also yawn occasionally. Bigger brain animals yawn longer to keep their brains cool and functioning well. Studies show that humans yawn for about 6 seconds, while smaller animals like mice yawn for only 1 or 2 seconds. Birds also follow this pattern, with larger birds yawning longer than smaller ones. This link between brain size and yawning highlights its role in brain health, and change in yawning could indicate change in brain function.